bus drivers are experiencing fear and frustration as COVID-19 cases continue to surge on Oahu. Their union says more passengers are refusing to wear a mask and drivers can't do much about it. Manolo Morales reports.
Bus drivers point out that the mayor and the police chief earlier this week stressed the importance of enforcing the latest restrictions, which include wearing a face mask in public. On the bus, drivers say mask enforcement is nearly impossible and it's a growing problem.
It's happening quite often on all the routes, both in the city and in the countryside. So, operators are, they complain about it every day.
The simple solution would be to just kick the passenger off the bus, but Union President Wayne Ka'ulula'au says that's against city policy. So instead, drivers have to call central control at the bus station, which then decides if police should be called.
There becomes this question of liability and whatnot if the drivers start trying to enforce the laws themselves on the bus. So that's why I say only the police actually can make all those enforcements.
But waiting for police means stopping the bus and waiting for the officers to arrive. Drivers say that could take a while, so central control decides against it. And with buses crowded and impossible to maintain physical distancing, drivers are scared for themselves and other passengers. The union says the city has been working with the state health department to come up with a solution. The city sent us a statement saying it is working on a revised face covering policy which balances accessibility to our transportation services while promoting a safer environment for riders during the COVID-19 pandemic. We expect to have more information on implementation early next week. The union says it raised the problem to the city nearly 2 weeks ago, and drivers are losing their patience. With the number of daily cases not showing any sign of coming down, a solution is needed now.
The city has got to do something, and the Corporation Council has got to do something because they're the ones who interpret the law. And they're the ones who hinders the process every time.
Manolo Morales, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.